Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of divine of my mantras. Every wedding dream, every day is a dream, a moment filled with love, emotions, and comfortable beauty. But while all eye often full upon the bride, there is a one of women who presents shine coldly, gracefully, and deep, and with deep emotions. The other of this bride here heart is full of pride, love, and she watches her daughter being a new chapters of her of life. And on this special day, she deserves to look and feel as the moment itself gracefully and deep emotion. The other of the bride, her is full of pride, love, and choosing the perfect mother of the bride is not just about fashion. It's about expressing elegance, emotion, and timeless grace from the first fitting to the final touch. The journey to finding your confidence in your unique style while blending your beautifully into the wedding theme. Very rare. It's a classic trench wedding, a garden celebration, or modern. The mother of the bride outfit or modern evening ceremony. There is a perfect dress for every moment. And for mother, we love traditions. Nothing speaks more beautifully from classic shortness. Think of flowing line on tea-length dress. More than shootless, every step. Soft tones like companion silver navy and blush pink. Always add a touch of lace overlay, delicate embroidery and light bedding give that perfect hint of sparkle. Subtle yet unforgettables. For mother who love traditions, chiffon embellished that moves gracefully with every step. Soft tones like a pageant, silver, navy, and blush pink. Always add a touch of cushion, lace, older, delicate embroidery, and light padding give that perfect hint of sparkle, subtle yet unforgettable. Classic does not mean outdated. This style's embodied of confidence and poise. Carries in your heart as the watches